Okay, so this is an introduction firstly to what's currently called EasyDropship for WooCommerce, and just want to say welcome, g'day, and yeah, this is not going to be perfect, but this video, but we'll give it a crack and see how we go. So, just giving you an overview on what EasyDropship is, so that you can check it out for yourself and see if it's going to be something which is going to help make things easier for you in your dropshipping for your website, for your e-commerce site, to either have a solely dropshipping website or to complement your current WooCommerce website with some dropshipping products. So let's get into it. So looking over here, what have we got? I'll put this over here. So this is an overview. So it's a plugin for your WooCommerce shop, and we've tried to make it as simple and as straightforward as possible to import your products, to select your products and import your products, to then process any orders which come in and just see what's going on, and also to tweak your store, so tweak pricing, availability and things like that, all from a very easy dashboard. One of the things that people, when they're dropshipping, can have a big problem with is working out what products to import or to sell on their store, and also where to get them from. The other one is the other challenge that people have is when their supplier changes prices or availability, maybe their supplier's warehouse runs out of stock, then you have to update your own store, because if you're selling something on your shop which is currently out of stock in the warehouse, then that's a problem. That's, you're going to have to deal with refunds and unhappy customers. So what this does, this easy dropshipping or easy dropship, it gives you the opportunity to have that all automated for you and just running smoothly. So you can wake up in the morning and have sales there, and you can have full confidence that they're selling at the right price, so you've got margin, and also you're not selling things which have gone out of stock or become discontinued. So that's essentially the overview. And then what I'll do, I'm going to work through each of these settings here, or each of these tabs, to give you insight into how it works. So we'll just start with this first home dashboard, if you like. Gives you an overview, looks at the key features and what's required, or what's the advantages and what's needed. Obviously it's WooCommerce, and a lot of the automated stuff, it's not using AI. Instead you get the opportunity to select what you want for your store, and then make that run smoothly. So the key to this is we're using Dropship Zone currently, and we're connecting to that to get access to over 40,000 products. Now, obviously, you don't want 40,000 products on your store. You want to be able to really refine your selection and make sure that you've got a clean and coherent store, rather than just an everything type store. So all you need to do is quickly use an active ABN or ACN to sign up to Dropship Zone. They'll ask you some basic information just to make sure that you have a real intention, having a real go at making this, rather than just having some scammers or something just trying to sign up for an account to do something not great, let's say. So have a chat with their support. Their support's really good. So get that information to them. They'll quickly help you set up your account, and then you can plug that information into this dropshipping engine, if you like, EasyDropship, and then you can start immediately importing your products. So quite quickly, the key thing is it allows you to quickly import stuff running either in the background or the foreground, so that you're not slowing down your website or slowing down your server while it's happening. You can easily add your price markup during import or later when you update your products, and that happens automatically. And you can calculate the postage cost. If you want to add any little markup onto the postage, you can, and then also sends orders automatically to the warehouse and keeps your customers updated.